In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix the issue where the Safari app is missing from your iPhone. So there's basically two different methods to fix this. The first method is just to scroll down using your finger on your home screen and then searching for Safari. If you do see Safari come up in the suggestions here, then what you need to do is just hold your finger down on the app like this and then go and press add to home screen. And as you can see, that's going to make the Safari app reappear in the home screen. And then what we can do now is just hold down on this app and we can actually drag it over to the main navigation menu. Now, if you don't see it inside of the suggestions box, then what you'll need to do is head over to the settings app on your phone. From here, we're going to scroll down and select screen time, scroll down again and select content and privacy restrictions, click on allowed apps and features, and then make sure where it says Safari, make sure this is turned on like so. And then you can head back over to your iPhone home screen and the Safari app should have now reappeared. So it's as simple as that, guys. If you did find this video helpful, then let me know in the comments and I'll see you in the next one.